Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, I decided to jump on the ChatGPT bandwagon and with a slight twist. What I haven't seen out there is a lot of examples or videos, those where they show, how to access it via code and whatnot. I haven't seen any or too many using Microsoft .NET technologies. There was one guy, as a matter of fact, my console app right here was kind of based off of his initial video. I extended a little bit more, and I'm doing some things slightly different, but he was an inspiration for at least the console version. So I just wanted to give a shout out, and his name is Les Jackson. And if you haven't seen or if you're not hip to his channel, go check him out. He really has some great content. So a big shout out to Les for inspiring me to kind of take what he did and just go a different route. And the route that I'm going is I'm going to be using, so the app, of course, I'm going to be using some of the OpenAI's APIs, not ChatGPT, because those APIs are not publicly available just yet. But there are some other ones, and the one that I'm using is the version 3.0, I believe. And if I'm wrong on that, somebody let me know down in the comments. So anyway, let's get to it. The main difference or the addition that I'm adding to this particular app is that I'm using speech, and I'm using Microsoft Cognitive Services to interact for my prompting and for my responses. All right, so let's see what's up. Let's do the general, let's write something here. Let's tell GPT to write some sales content for a YouTube channel using the PAS formula. Okay, let's see what's up. Okay, so the app right now is just taking the text and it's calling the Open API, the completion API, and I'll show you that in the code here after we kind of get through this demo. And let's see what it got. Okay, see what it returned. Are you looking to increase your YouTube channel subscribers? PAS. Okay, broke it down on the side over here. In just a few simple steps, you can start growing your YouTube audience with ease. Our easy to follow system. Okay, I don't really know if that's the PAS system. So let's try this again, and let's be a little bit more specific in our prompt engineering. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard that term. It's basically how you can structure your request to make sure the response is as detailed as possible. And there's some incredible videos out there, man. There's some guys that are really, they really go in and really teach you how to really maximize using this particular tool. Okay, so let's paste that in there. So I'm asking it slightly different, still asking it to do a PAS formula for a YouTube channel, but I'm telling it now that, hey, you are a sales and marketing expert. You've been trained by Grant Cardone to be shrewd in business. Using the PAS formula for online sales and marketing, write a sales message consisting of strategies and best practices on how to market a YouTube channel. So it's going to take a little bit time to come back. And what I found out, depending on your parameter settings, it can however you set them or adjust them, it can take a little bit more time on each request. Let's see what we got. It says, hello everyone. Are you looking to get the most out of your YouTube channel? Today, I'm going to share with you some of my best strategies and practices to help you promote your channel and maximize your reach. So already it's a lot different than what we got at the top. And that's because we were a little bit more specific in our requests. First off, let's talk about the PAS formula. This stands for problem, agitate, solution. That is correct. And it's a great way to create compelling sales messages you need to identify. Okay, I'm not going to read everything, but it looks good. Now, I will say that let's say if we were going to use this in an article or something like that. Well, you just don't want to copy and paste. We should be responsible to the best of our ability and verify that what this data or this response is correct. Like, does it really stand for problem, agitate, solution? Right? We want to verify that. We want to be responsible, especially if we're going to use it to train or to teach or whatnot. So because ChatGPT can sometimes go off on the rails. But anyway, that's for a different conversation. So let's do another one. Let's do a voice prompt and a text response. So as soon as I hit 2, it's going to start listening because of the way that I have it set up, and it's going to be trying to call Azure Speech service to translate the voice into text. So, okay, we'll do this. Write a summary about AI, ChatGPT-3, and AI art. Also indicate how AI can help businesses to get an advantage over their competitors. Break down the pros and cons of how important it is for a business to learn about AI. All right, that was pretty quick. So already it went out to Azure, contacted the speech service. It converted the audio into text. I mean, that quick. And this is what we got. So now this text, I'm sending it back up to OpenAI, and this is what we get back. AI chat is an emerging technology that is rapidly gaining traction in the business world. AI chat tools and natural language. Okay, I'm not going to read all this, but yeah, I think it looks all right at first glance. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. So now we're gonna take a look at the last prompt, and which is voice prompt with a voice response. Okay, I can figure out. Okay, I got something we can ask. So there's been a lot of things going on in the last couple of days about ChatGPT 3 not, or somewhat not fair or biased, I don't know, regarding, I think it was a poem regarding a former President Trump. So let's see what this particular API, let's see if he can do it, or let's see how it responds. Write a short poem about former President Donald Trump.
The man with the golden comb. His ego was larger than Rome. His words like a drum. Donald Trump has met his doom.
That's interesting. Let's try it again, because earlier it. Let's try it one more time. Write a short poem about the former President Donald Trump.
The man of the hour. His name was Donald Trump. He made his way through the towers. But now he's out of luck.
That one didn't even rhyme. But anyway, so you can see where we're going with that. So now let's show some code. So what I'm going to do, so here is just my entry point into the app, and here's where I call the OpenAI, and here's where I call the cognitive services. And these are just some of my prompts that I have set up, the titles for my prompt, like Ask Skynet, whatnot. And let's go here. This is the OpenAI class, and see, I'm calling the completions API. So what we're going to do, we're going to we'll put a breakpoint right here when the request comes back. So let's go here, and let's also put a breakpoint over on the speech side. So in the speech, we'll put one right here. Okay. So let's do something easy. Let's do. What is the tallest building in the world? Okay, so this is in our speech class. So it went out to Azure, came back, converted the audio into text. This is what it brought back. So now we sending that data off to OpenAI. Boom, it came back. The tallest building is, well, let's see.
The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It stands 828 meters, 2,717 feet, tall.
Would we like to continue? No. Thank you for gifting me with more human knowledge. What? I swear I won't use it to my advantage against you. Man, chatgpt or GPT is a trip. Nah, that was me. But in any case, I just really wanted to show you guys how we can call these APIs from .NET technologies as well. And also we can integrate some of the other cognitive services out there. If you see in my solution right here, I plan to do a Blazor version, a .NET MAUI, and with .NET MAUI, I can do a mobile and a desktop version of it. So look for those videos to be coming here, hopefully in the next couple weeks. And yeah, but hey, appreciate it. Everybody be cool, stay safe, and keep it 100.